Welcome dear friends, welcome to my channel. From today onwards we are going to study the neuroanatomy in a different way. That is, we are going to study the different parts of the brain and its location. So before going to see that, please subscribe to my channel for this new updates. Let us see that brain and its subdivisions. So coming to the brain and its subdivisions, there are three different parts of the brain. One is forebrain, midbrain, and the hindbrain. So the forebrain parts are telencephalon and diencephalon. So forebrain is subdivided into telencephalon and diencephalon. Let us see the telencephalon. Telencephalon is a part which is present above the third ventricle. Third ventricle, which is present at the midline. Above the third ventricle, we can identify right and left cerebral hemispheres, which they will come under the telencephalon. These two cerebral hemispheres, consisting of two different cavities, they are C-shaped cavities. So this is the different aspects of the cerebral hemispheres, they will come under the telencephalon. So as I said earlier, two cavities are present. They are called as lateral ventricles. So the lateral ventricles, which are located in the right and left cerebral hemispheres, they open into the third ventricle, which is present at the midline, through a foramen called as interventricular foramen of Monro. So this is the different image of the lateral ventricles and the third ventricle. Here you can see the lateral ventricle, and middle we can identify the third ventricle. Then coming to the diencephalon, which is a part which is surrounding the third ventricle. So the diencephalon consisting of thalamus and the basal ganglia. And this is a coronal section of the cerebrum to see the basal ganglia and the thalamus. Then coming to the midbrain, which is a part present just below this, we can identify a cerebral aqueduct is present. Behind the aqueduct, it is called as tectum. Anterior to the aqueduct, it is called as tegmentum. And anterior to the tegmentum, we can identify the cerebral peduncles, right and left cerebral peduncles. Then coming to the hindbrain, we can identify the pons and the medulla. Behind the pons and medulla, we can identify cerebellum. So that is the end of today's class. Thank you.